does it in December in Ibadan. Now, the circus. I was talking with him backstage. He said, if people don't on this one, next one I'll do octopus. Now the thing, he said that he said, I will do menopause. Everybody's. It's true. The day after they increased fuel from 87 naira to 145, I was in Ibadan, in a filling station. Ibadan, people love to ask questions. This woman walked up to me, I went to buy fuel. Oh, mommy, a lollipop. I said, mommy, 145. He said, no, so okay. I said, so I said it in a more explicit way. Mommy, 145. I said, show you me better time. Everything has changed. Everything changed. Before, if you're familiar with NTA Network News, the soundtrack is banana, baram, bam, 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 baram. Have you heard it of this? That is going to go smooth. Change. Everything has changed. See, look at it. They used to do state house dinner. It is always a testimony of abundance. It's a buffet. You will see food all around. Rice, beans. They did state house dinner last week. It's not a dinner. It's a freedom of living ceremony. Government executive functionaries were there and it was only one bowl. And I don't know stay there. I had one of the weirdest announcements. It's like, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, governors, ministers, and top functionaries, as you are approaching the menu bowl, discretion is of essence. Do not take